You already know something's off. You're scrolling, you're comfortable, you're coasting, and while everyone else is partying through winter, the best version of you is dying in silence. But here's what they won't tell you. The coldest season is when champions are built. Today, I'm giving you the exact 30-day winter arc challenge. Disappear from your old life and come back unrecognizable. Let's be honest. Right now, you're stuck in thermal comfort, warm bed, warm food, warm lies you tell yourself about starting Monday. Meanwhile, your potential is freezing to death outside your comfort zone, banging on the window, begging you to let it in. And every day you wait, that gap between who you are and who you could be, it gets wider. Winter doesn't care about your excuses. It exposes everything. So here's the plan. You're going to vanish. The first 7 days are about subtraction, not addition. Think of a sculptor with a block of marble. Michelangelo didn't add to the stone. He removed everything that wasn't David. You're doing the same. Here's what you cut immediately. Delete social media apps from your phone. Not limit screen time, delete them. If you need to post, use the desktop version. Make it inconvenient. Ghost your distractions, yes, even the group chat. Tell them you're on a 30-day mission, or say nothing at all. Real ones will understand. Cancel zero-value commitments. That party you said, maybe to? That's a no. That Netflix show everyone's watching? Doesn't exist for you. The micro-action. Before bed tonight, write down 3 things you're removing for 30 days. Not reducing, removing. Commit like your future depends on it, because it does. Days 8-21 are your construction phase. Imagine you're a phone on 3% battery. You've been running on fumes, apps draining you in the background. The winter arc? That's you, in airplane mode, fully charging in silence. Here's your non-negotiable daily stack. Number 1. The 5 a.m. advantage. Wake up when it's still dark. No negotiation. That first hour before the world wakes up? That's sacred. Cold water on your face, no phone for 60 minutes, and you move your body, even if it's 20 push-ups and a walk. You're training your mind that you're the kind of person who does hard things before breakfast. Number 2. The study block system. 3 hours. Non-negotiable. Not when you feel like it. Scheduled. Break it into 90-minute deep work blocks with 15-minute breaks. Phone in another room. Door closed. This is where you build the skills that change your tax bracket. Number 3. The physical forge. Train like you're preparing for war. Lift weights. Run. Train combat sports, something that makes you hurt. Because every time you push through physical pain, you're rewiring your brain to push through mental pain. The gym isn't just building your body. It's building your character. Number 4. Before you sleep, journal 3 wins from the day and 1 lesson from a mistake. This isn't optional. You're teaching your brain to hunt for progress, not perfection. The micro-action. Right now, screenshot this section. Set 4 alarms on your phone labeled 5 a.m. rise, study, block 1, train, evening audit. Make it impossible to forget. Doomreld. And if you're thinking, this sounds hard, you're finally paying attention. Days 22-30 are about consolidation. Here's what nobody tells you about disappearing. You're not running from people. You're running toward yourself. Think of Navy SEALs in Hell Week. They're not just training their bodies, they're training in controlled suffering. They're learning that their mind will quit 100 times before their body does. Your winter arc is the same. When your friends ask where you've been, when your phone feels too quiet, when Saturday night feels lonely, that's the pressure creating the diamond. Here's what you double down on. Protect your inputs ruthlessly. Every podcast, book, video you consume, ask, is this building me or draining me? Embrace the silence. Boredom is where creativity is born. Don't fill every quiet moment. Document privately. Take progress photos. Track your study hours. Record voice notes to your future self. You'll want proof you did this. The micro-action. Create a private folder on your phone called Winter Arc Proof. Every week, add 1 piece of evidence. A workout photo. A grade. A screenshot of hours studied. By day 30, you'll have undeniable proof you're different. Day 31. You don't announce your return. You don't post a transformation photo. You just show up, and people feel it before you say a word. Your posture is different. Your eye contact is different. The way you carry yourself like you've been to war and came back with something they'll never understand. Here's the truth. Most people will spend this winter exactly the same. Same habits, same complaints, same life. You use the cold to forge something irreversible. The winter arc isn't about 30 days. It's about proving to yourself that you can become whoever you decide to be. The final micro action. Before you start, record a 60-second video to yourself. Say what you're struggling with, what you're committing to, and who you'll be on the other side. Watch it on day 15 when you want to quit. Winter is testing you. Most will fail. Will you? So, here's what happens next. You pick your start date, ideally today, and you disappear. No announcement, no permission. You cut the dead weight. You build the systems. You suffer in silence. And you come back different. 30 days from now, you'll either be someone who thought about changing, or someone who did. The choice was never hard. You were just making it complicated. This is Better Skool. Disappear now. Return unrecognizable. And if you need the mental frameworks to stop sabotaging your own progress, watch The Psychology of Procrastination. Next, it'll show you exactly why your brain quits before your body does. Now go. Your winter arc starts the second this video ends.